This is Christmas and a blizzard came into town. What's so funny? This is Christmas and a blizzard flew into town last night. And we're on our way to Grandma's house. And there's some people walking up a hill. This is a big overpass. John, how many inches of snow would you say fell last night?
4.
So yeah, and I don't even think the snowplow came down these roads. Do you?
Yeah, it did. So violent.
Hey, John, that's disgusting. So yeah, there's some train tracks. There's someone peeping at me. There's someone peeping at me.